friends, welcome back. I have an art activity for you to try at home today. Would you like to make your own train? That sounds fun, right? So we're going to use some recycled materials. So that means things that you normally would throw in the garbage, I'm going to give them a new purpose. So for this train, I'm going to use an egg carton that I cut the bottom off. And we're going to need some paper towel tubes or toilet paper tubes. Paper towel, that's okay. We can cut it down. The toilet paper, that's great because they're already small. And then I have a collection of bottle caps here. I have big ones and medium-sized ones and small ones. Any size you have at home is great. It all depends on how big you want your train to be. You also could use paper or more cardboard cut to circle shapes. Really, the possibilities are endless. So what I did first was I cut. This was closed like that. Opens and closes, opens and closes. I cut off the bottom parts. And there's two ways we can make the train. So this had 2 rows, right? To hold 12 eggs. So I cut it right down the middle. And I can actually keep it just like this, all attached together. And these are my train cars. I did cut off a little of the pokey parts here, and I rounded out my corners on the side so it's rounded. And if I want, I can now paint each little cup a different color to be my train cars. Or another way you can do it is cut them all apart. Snip. So you have individual cups like this. So I was really inspired by the book Freight Train by Donald Cruz. And if you're familiar with that book, the train has the rainbow colors. So the front car is black and then all the colors is rainbow. So I'm going to paint my cups to match the rainbow of that story. Before I paint though, I did use my hole puncher. I have a hole puncher tool at my house. If you don't have one, mommy can help you or daddy can help you poke holes in it. That's quite alright. But I use my hole puncher tool to punch a hole on each side of the cup. One there and one there. So that's where I'm going to use my fuzzy sticks or string, whatever you have at home, to connect the cars together. So make sure each cup gets 2 holes, except for your caboose. Your caboose will only need 1, because it's going to be at the back and only needs to be connected to the front. All right, and then start painting. Now that our train cars are painted, I'm going to assemble the engine. So I had 1 toilet paper tube here, and then I didn't have another one, so I took a paper towel tube and I cut it down, and then I cut a hole that will fit the size of my second tube into it. Put it in like this, and that makes the shape of my engine car. I also punched 2 little holes on either side, 1 and 2, so I can attach my fuzzy sticks to all the train cars. Now I'm going to paint my engine. I'm going to paint it black. You can paint your engine any color you want. all the pieces of my train have been painted, I'm going to glue it on wheels. Now for this activity right now, I only have 4 small water bottle caps. If I was going to do this ahead of time, I would have thought about it, planned it out, and saved them. I was able to get 4. So only 2 of my cars will have wheels, but that's okay. You get the idea, right? I'm going to use a hot glue gun to glue my wheels on because I know it'll be super strong and really stay. So moms, dads, grown-ups, you may want to use for your friends. Otherwise, glue or regular glue, tape. If you're looking for stability, I recommend the hot glue gun. It's fast, convenient, and gets the job done. So I use water bottle caps for my wheels. I highly recommend them. They're the perfect size and proportion to these little cups that come from the egg cartons. I also glued them on the bottom instead of putting my cup this way, but you can totally glue yours down the bottom, make this just the top of your train. But I actually want to use my little cups to hold little things inside, so my train car is connected. I can put things in. How fun is that? So I'd keep going with all my different colors. Like I said, I only had 4 at the time, so 2 are attached and 2 have the wheels. I took a fuzzy stick and I cut it down to small pieces like this, just because you don't need a lot of space to attach into the hole. Fold it over, give it a little twist, fold it to the other side, give it a little twist. I made mine a little too short, it's a little tricky. I also didn't wait for my paint to dry, so it's getting a little messy here too. And there you go, they're attached. So I'm going to keep doing this to all my train cars to put my train together. Now for my train engine, since it's bigger and usually has bigger wheels, I'm going to use my larger bottle caps. So I have these big orange ones looking really cool. I also have these black ones a little bit smaller. I'm going to do 2 back wheels orange and the front one's black. You just switch the trains, right? And the back wheel's really big anyway. Now if you remember, I said I put 2 holes on either side to attach it to my train car. I just felt it would be a little easier to attach instead of 1. But now I'm looking at my train, I probably could have put just 1 right here at the top. So however you want to put your holes, attach it is fine. And there you have your egg carton train. And with my cups up like this, perfect for little passengers to go inside. Have fun creating!